रियल मैड्रिड्स डिफेंसिव क्राइसिस, मतलब आज के डेट में अगर आप बात करोगे रियल मैड्रिड की, यू डोंट वरी अबाउट द अटैकिंग पार्ट, यू डोंट वरी अबाउट द मिडफील्ड पार्ट. यस, क्रूज नहीं है, देयर इज सम एब्सेंस, बट द मोस्ट ट्रिगरिंग पार्ट फॉर एनी मैड्रिड फैन राइट नाउ इज द डिफेंसिव पोर्शन ऑफ द टीम. क्योंकि डिफेंस में लोग हैं नहीं. हम लोग डीएम को डिफेंस में खिला खिला के भाई मैचेस निकालने वाले हैं, एंड दिस इज सो मच ट्रू. अगर आप रिसेंट रिपोर्ट्स की देखोगे, चुआमेनी इज गोइंग टू प्ले the center back in the next matches, and Raul Asensio is not going to start. But if you look at Real Madrid's lineup right now, we need some signings, we need some defensive inputs right now. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले is just to clear one thing, आज मेरा गला थोड़ा खराब है. I have a very bad cold, but still I'm recording this video because I didn't want to miss out on this topic. So इसलिए, but if the voice muffles a bit, please adjust to it. So coming back to the topic, who is going to become Real Madrid's next defender? देखो, we all wanted Sergio Ramos to come back, and Sergio Ramos himself also wanted to come back. He offered himself to Real Madrid, but somehow or the other Real Madrid rejected that offer. They thought कि Sergio Ramos की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या फिर पता नहीं भाई पेरेस का कुछ लफड़ा है Sergio Ramos से, उसका बनता नहीं है उसके साथ. बट इस टाइम पे ये डिबेट भी छिड़क जाता है ना कि is your personal problems more important than the club situation right now? Because Sergio Ramos coming into the team would have improved the team's bench. जो मोरल डाउन था टीम का वो उठ जाएगा. देयर वुड हैव बीन अ जेन्युइन लीडर इन द टीम दैट द टीम डेफिनेटली लैक्स राइट नाउ. एंड ब्रिंगिंग सर्जियो रामोस, देखो वो कितना मिनट खेलेगा वी डजंट नो, बट एटलीस्ट ऑन द बेंच यू वुड हैव हैड एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शन, एंड वी डू नीड दैट राइट नाउ. बट Madrid being Madrid, they are not going to sign Ramos right now. They are stubborn on their decision. And yeah, मतलब तुम लोग मुझे बोल सकते हो on the comment section कि was Real Madrid stand here right or wrong. But if we go on and speak on the topic who is going to be the next center back of Real Madrid, we are going to talk about four very good defenders, and इनमें से कोई एक defender I am looking forward, because he is going to be the next Real Madrid main star defender, and he is going to grow in Real Madrid. So number one, अगर recent reports की बात करें, स्पोर्ट्स आर्टिकल ने ये चीज़ पब्लिश किया था कि क्रिस्टियन मॉस्केरा, एक वेलेंसिया का डिफेंडर whose season hasn't been that good right now, is one of Real Madrid's target. Real Madrid is actually looking forward to sign him in the next window या फिर उसके बाद, because Real Madrid sees potential in that player. Yes, the player isn't going through the best figures right now, but पता नहीं कि Madrid believes that he is going to flourish when he comes down to Bernabeu. अब इस डिफेंडर के बारे में अगर मैं ज़्यादा बात करूँ, मॉस्केरा ने रिसेंटली एक नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है एट वेलेंसिया. ही इज़ गोइंग टू स्टे इन दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अंटिल 2026. उसका रिलीज क्लॉज ऑलमोस्ट 80 मिलियन के आसपास जाने वाला है. दिस डिफेंडर इज़ गुड, ही कैन प्ले शॉर्ट पासेस, उसका थोड़ा एरियल डुएल्स में थोड़ा वीकनेस है, गुड बॉल इंटरसेप्शन, लाइक्स टू ड्रिबल, सो इन एंड आउट ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड डिफेंडर टू वॉच आउट फॉर. बट इज मैड्रिड गोइंग टू पे 80 मिलियन फॉर दैट डिफेंडर? दैट्स बिग क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि मार्केट में और भी सारे ऑप्शंस हैं अबाउट विच वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक. लेकिन मॉस्केरा इज वन ऑफ दोज डिफेंडर्स whom Real Madrid is actually they are looking forward to. एंड अगर हम सेकंड डिफेंडर की बात करें, दैट इज एमरिक लपोर्ट. एमरिक लपोर्ट हैज बीन इन द न्यूज राइट नाउ. Madrid had been behind Emerick Laporte, but Emerick Laporte is a fantastic defender. We all know that. City का player था. He is now at Al Nassr. He is in Saudi, but he is open to come back to Europe. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम पता है कहाँ है? Emerick Laporte right now is of 30 years of age. Madrid ज़्यादा उम्र के प्लेयर्स को पैसा ज़्यादा वगैरह देके साइन नहीं करती है. दे want to go for older players who are there as a free agent, and that is the main reason Sergio Ramos would have been the perfect choice. But Emerick Laporte right now is in a 3-year deal at Al Nassr. Release clause मुझे actually मैं ढूंढा था but मुझे नहीं मिला था. But I don't think that he is going to come for free, क्योंकि उसके लिए भी आपको release clause देना पड़ेगा. And Emerick Laporte, as we all know, is a good defender. He is good in passing, indirect set pieces में उसका threat भी है. He likes to play short passes, but yes, बहुत जल्दी tackles के लिए वो जाता नहीं है. So this is the main profile of Emerick Laporte. But yes, talking about good defenders, he is a very good shout. But इसके बाद नंबर 3 पे जो डिफेंडर है, I think he will be joining Madrid, and Madrid will be looking forward to make this defender sign for Madrid. When you hear the the specifications of this defender, he is actually the most suitable candidate. You will agree to it. Number 3, we have Castello Junior Lukeba. Lukeba in RP Leipzig, is doing fantastic. 90 million के आसपास उसका release clause है. He's of 20 or 21 years of age, having a very good season. The qualities that the player possesses is outstanding, and आप ये चीज बोल सकते हो कि if you pay for that player is going to give you good returns. क्योंकि अगर आप लुकेबा की बात करो, he is a left-footed, can play in a back 3 system, can play in a back 4 system. So a very versatile player. Tough tackling skills, pace है बंदे में, positioning अच्छा है, ball control अच्छा है, build up कर सकता है. So the most probable option, I think, young है. You have to pay, but you are going to get back a lot. So yeah, I think Lukeba is the main target of Madrid for the next transfer window. And number 4, we have the player from Bayer Leverkusen, that is Jonathan Tah. Jonathan Tah, as we speak of, he's of 28 years of age. His release clause was 15 million, but बीच में Bayern Munich ने जब उसको साइन करने की कोशिश की थी, Bayer told that his release clause will be around 40 million. So I don't think that Leverkusen अभी बेचने के लिए बहुत जल्दी हड़बड़ी करेगी to sell Tah and get some other players and something like that. So Madrid needs to be patient if they want to end up signing Tah, but I think Tah is not going to be the main target of Real Madrid. So मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि Lukeba is by far the highest priority in Real Madrid's hit list right now. So when you talk about Jonathan Tah as well, Jonathan Tah is a very good defender. Strong passings है, like to play short passes. Tackling थोड़ा weak है, but still over and out. If you want a player for 1 or 2 years, Jonathan Tah is a very good shot. But I still again think the same thing, because Real Madrid is not going to go for players, they are not going to break their bank for players who are going to serve 2 or 3 years and then go away. That's the main reason I think Lukeba is the player Real Madrid will go after. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? Let me know in the comments below. David Alaba, he's going to come back, but what David Alaba is going to bring into the team, that's a very big question. क्योंकि Alaba is according to me, he is उसका peak पास में चला गया है. He can play, but what level inputs he can bring, we don't know. So Militao, दोनों पैर के दोनों ACLs, it's done. So yeah, Real Madrid's situation is a bit tough right now, but I think we will be over it very soon. Sorry for the voice audio, तबीयत बहुत ही ख़राब है मेरा, and I couldn't record it in the last 2 days as well. But yeah, here I am. So weather change हो रहा है guys. Take care. Don't drink too much of coke and all. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.